So this here is the toe kick, and we're going to install these under the cabinet. I have two of them because this is not long enough, but it's going to look nice and smooth. It's going to look flush like one piece. So I'm going to show you how to install a toe kick. And it's easy. You just go under here, and it should fit right under there. Nice and flush. You slide it down all the way to the end. And now I'm just going to get my handy dandy brad nail gun. We're going to lock it in. You hear my back crack? I'm old. So now I have one more piece. We're just going to cut the difference and add it. And we're good to go. Easy as that. How to install a toe kick. If you have any questions, leave a comment.